This is my absolute favorite place to wake up when I'm at Walt Disney World. I love going out on my balcony at Animal Kingdom Lodge and seeing the animals just roaming around in the morning. We had a really great view that was looking out into the savannah from our room 2354. Shout out to Dan for doing this little room tour for us, but I love all the details around the rooms at Animal Kingdom Lodge. The details are so great with the Lion King inspiration, all of the great patterns in these beautiful headboards, and I absolutely loved our view in this room. When you walked out into the balcony, you could see right onto the Kudu Trail, and this room was great.